Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how you can improve your journal writing. I've already done a couple videos on some beginner tips for those who are like, I think I want to try this journaling thing. So I will link those videos in the description box and also in this video. But today, if you already have your journal and you want to improve on your writing, then this video is for you. So I want to start off by saying that there is no right way to journal. Even though I'm giving these 4 tips, these are just tips to help you improve on your journal writing. If they don't work for you, keep on trying. I don't want you to give up. Before we jump on into those 4 tips, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button here on this channel. We talk all about self-help because I want to help you help yourself. Now let's jump into those 4 tips for journal writing. Number 1 is to write every day. When you're first starting out, it could feel a little bit awkward. It could feel like, wait, why am I doing this again? So it's important to just try to make it a routine, and you do that by doing it every day. Set aside a few minutes, morning, night, afternoon, on your lunch break, whenever, but make sure you just at least start out by doing it every day so it can become routine and so that you can get past kind of that uncomfortable and kind of that writer's block and just jot down something. This way it can move past being awkward and being forced and something more natural and something that you look forward to doing every day. Number 2 is to make it easy. You can make it easy by 1, having pen and paper with you always so that if you have these thoughts in your head, you can write it down easily. If you're on the bus, if you're in the car, whatever you're doing, if you have something that you want to write, you have access to jot it down. Of course, you can always use your phone, but if you're like, I want to be kind of old school and have the pen and paper, have that with you. If you're like, okay, I kind of want something nice, there are tons and tons of different types of journal out there for anybody who is like, wait, I kind of want a spiritual one. I want a to-do list. I want a bullet. There are different types of journals. So find something to inspire you so that when you are trying to write every day, it comes easy because you look forward to it because you have something that inspires you. Number 3 is to write whatever comes to your mind. If you are a structured person and you're like, I kind of need to know what I need to write about that day, free writing is not your thing. Don't worry. I will have a video coming for you guys, some more guided journal, but I have made some videos on journal writing for anxiety, depression. So also check those videos out. I'll link them in the video and also down in the description box below. But if you're just starting out and you're trying to improve it, jot down whatever comes to mind, whatever you're feeling. Write down little just points, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write little bullets. I got mad at this time. I'm upset about this. I'm happy about this. I'm angry about this. Jot down whatever comes to your mind so that it just kind of flows, and you might surprise yourself on what actually comes out when you just take all the rules out, when you don't put any pressure on yourself and you just sit down and write. And number 4 is to use it for your purpose. If you're like, wait, what does that mean? Well, if you're trying to use it to be successful, if you're trying to use it to keep yourself organized, if you're trying to use it to kind of lock away those thoughts and feelings that you can't share with anybody, use it for your purpose so that when you are trying to write, you can improve on it because it's something that you're like, okay, I have this goal, I know what it's for, and this is what I'm going to use it for. It's for me. And when you're trying to write and you're trying to improve on your writing, sometimes having a goal or going back to the purpose of it helps you kind of stay focused and helps you get out more thoughts and feelings about what's going on. Now, if you're not going for the thoughts and feeling and you're going for more organization of your thoughts or organization of what's going on in your mind, then that purpose is going to be evident for you, and it's going to help you when you sit down and you're like, wait, what do I need to write? What do I need to talk about? Well, you can go back to your purpose. So that was 4 tips on how you can improve your journal writing. I hope that these help you for you to get to know yourself. A journal is really just a journey for yourself. So take time to do it every day. Take away the rules. Have something that inspires you, or just have some pen and paper with you all the time. And then, of course, have a purpose for it. That can sometimes give you direction in the beginning if you're just trying to improve on your writing. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you found the tips helpful, let me know down in the comments below. If you have some things that have helped you and you're like, wait, she didn't state that in the video, let us know down below. I love, love, love hearing information for you guys because what works for me may not work for you. So let's share, okay? Sharing is caring. Let's share all of that. So that about sums up your journal writing tips. I'm Rashawnda. I'm a licensed therapist and I make videos to help you help yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.